Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. So let's get to register a hosting and domain here on Qserver. Actually very straightforward process, and Qserver is trusted because for those in Nigeria, it is actually priced in Naira, making it very easy to bypass the issue of dollar or exchange rate, right? So let's tap on hosting. So let's do website hosting, and then we select a hosting package. So let's start with the starter package for 20,000 per year, right? Then we'll just go ahead and touch on order today, right? So I recommend you start with this package because it is actually not too expensive. So let's tap on order now, right? And then he asked us to impute a preferred domain. If you are registering a new domain, if you are transferring a domain, just tap on this, or I will use my existing domain to update my name servers. So let's go ahead and impute a choice domain name here. So I have my domain here as royalanselhomes.com.ng because .com.ng is actually not too expensive. I think about 2,500 at the moment. And then just continue here. Oh wow, so it says royalanselhomes.com.ng is already taken. Let's try another domain. So let's do royalanselhomes.org.ng, and let's continue to see. All right, so it says domain name is available and it goes for 2,100. So let's continue with this, right? And then so here our billing cycle is going to be 1 year for 20,000 right here annually. So let's continue. We won't check any of this because they're actually expensive, trust me on this. So let's continue right here. We have 21,500. So let's check this and let's continue, right? So it says fill up this information here. So we are paying for everything, we are paying 21,500. so after 1 year the price obviously will get back to 23,865 naira. So first name, let's get to fill up the first name here, fill up the whole information, and then we'll get to continue. All right, so the whole information has been filled up, and then we'll simply need to scroll down here, check this particular box, check the paystack debit card or credit card, and then tap on checkout, right? So you may decide to save your password or not to save it. So I choose to save my password for easier accessibility when the time comes. All right, so it says pay now, right? So let's get to pay, and we are paying 21,922.50, maybe because of charges, VAT of 1,500. So tap on pay now. So it pops this pay stack button up, right? So you can choose to pay with your card, imputing the long card details here, the expiration dates, and the CVV at the back of the card, or you can choose to transfer. So you get to transfer to this particular account and then to this particular name, right? The sum of 21,922.5, or you do bank. So choose your bank, let's say Guaranteed Trust Bank. So you do you can authenticate or pay with GTBs 737. You can also get to pay with USSD code, right, or Visa QR. Do you understand? Depending on the one you have access to. Do you understand? So in my own case, I like to do card or I do transfer, simple as ABC. So this one does not allow me to impute my card details. I just transfer this amount of money here to this particular account and to this particular name, right? This particular name here, Paystack Titan. We are done with that. It says this expires in about 29 minutes 4 seconds. As soon as you're done transferring this money here, you just come here and tap on I've sent the money, right? And then it verifies that you have paid the money, and then make you see that you have paid the money. It says money is transferred successfully. Do you understand? So it's an automatic thing. There is no need to reach out to any customer care to confirm payment. So as soon as you're done sending this amount of money, you just come back here and tap on I have sent the money, and then it refreshes automatically, and then you get to see what you have done, right? So now I'm going to pay for this, and then I'll be right back. All right, so welcome to this particular lesson still on the website design section. So just immediately after you're done buying your domain and hosting, you'll be redirected to this particular section here. Most likely you'll be taken back to your services. So let's get to see my services quickly. So you get to see your services right here. So if I were you, I'll simply click on active, this particular one that is active here, and then you are brought to this section right here, right? So this is for those who use Qserver, right? So for some other hosting plans or some other hosting platforms, you may need to reach out to us, and then we will help you out on it with very nice information that you would be needing. So when you get right here, you see file manager right here, and then it takes you to cPanel. If I were you, I'll click on this icon at the extreme top left of my screen where we have the file manager here. So I'll click on the icon. It takes me right to this particular default page with all of the sections showing clearly right here. So I'll click on WordPress manager, then I'll click on install. So I want to install WordPress right here. So this is the website for WordPress. This is the website I want to install WordPress on. I'll remove this WP here so that it doesn't give me a directory, right? So from here I will set up the admin username and password. So let me do password right here. I will quickly hide this. It's actually confidential. So let me set the password, right? So yeah, the password is set. So the admin email address, so by default I want you to use your Gmail account right here. So if you don't have a Gmail account, just leave it at what it is. We'll sort that out much more later. So when you're done with all of this information here, you simply scroll down and go to install, right? So let's click on install, and then the information is getting installed, right? So it will load to 100%, and then it will install WordPress on our hosting and domain, right? So when this installation is done, then we can now pick it up from there and decide on what kind of website we want to build on the website, on the account. So this is done successfully. It says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So I'll tap on this administrative URL here, and then it takes me to the dashboard of WordPress. So this is what the WordPress dashboard looks like, guys. So you see all of this information here are still brand new, right? No single information. If you come to the plugins, you most likely will see only two plugins here, Askimet and Hello Dolly, right? So don't activate them, just leave it as they are. So first of all, there are several ways by which you build a website. There are several means by which a WordPress website is built, right? A WordPress website can actually be built by simply doing it from the scratch, from the beginning, dragging and dropping, right? Or you simply build with the assistance of a theme, right? A WordPress theme. Do you understand? So but before we get into that, the very first thing I like you to understand before you start building any website is to understand or to have a good knowledge of your audience. I mean the industry you want to build website for. So there are several options for you to select your theme, right? Very important that you know that. There are paid options and there are free options also. So for a starter like yourself, you may not have enough money to start buying a theme, but that is why I'm here to teach you how to get started with getting a free theme. So a platform like WP Locker, WPLocker.com can actually help you get a free theme, right? So here on WP Locker, you can get to select any theme of your choice, right? And then it is completely free. Simple blogs, let's search for simple blogs. It gives us something different entirely. So this is Caterio. So I think I like this feel, this Caterio feel, and also I like it for the fact that it has Elementor builder embedded on it, right? So this is this here Elementor. So let's tap on this Caterio, and then let's come down to this demo. Let's see what this Caterio looks like, guys. Right, this is coming up. Just click on stop, I mean skip. Click here to skip, and then it takes us to the real platform for Caterio. So ideally Caterio is $33 right here. So you can tap on live preview right here. So live preview takes you to what Caterio blog itself looks like. So this is loading up. So this is all the demo that you have for Caterio. From here, if you select this blog, you can go ahead and recustomize to your taste. So I tap on this particular Caterio here, this particular home for. So this is what your blog will look like. Isn't this beautiful, guys? This is completely beautiful. So I like this blog, I like this theme. I want to take it away, right? So let's head back here. This particular first link here, workupload.com, I'm going to highlight and copy. So once again, this particular theme is here at the bottom part of this video. You can get to download it for free, right? So I paste this particular URL here, I tap on enter. So this is opening up. Go ahead and download this. Let's close this up. So Caterio is downloading right here, as you can see. So this is downloaded already. So this is how you can go ahead to get your free theme, right? So yeah, this is downloaded already on my dashboard, right? So let's get to see where this particular theme is downloaded into. So I tap on this folder icon. This is it right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to right click on this. If your PC does not have a WinRAR, you may go ahead and try to install WinRAR. So how do you go about installing WinRAR? Let's do WinRAR right here. So this is WinRAR. Go ahead and download WinRAR and install it on your computer. So that is how you can get to see this downloaded folder showing up in a zipped file like this. So right click on this folder, extract here. So this is extracted on this download section of my PC, right? So let's move on to the next section of this video. One downside to downloading a free theme from WP Locker is the fact that you are prone to virus. I mean, some hackers may have inserted some code into some of these themes. That is just a disclaimer for you to be aware of, right? Some hackers may put virus into some of these themes or plugins that you get for free on WP Locker. After all, it is completely free, right? So they may explore those avenues to put in viruses into those folders or files. So that is why you want to check the file for virus. You want to scan the downloaded file for virus and be very sure that it is safe to use. So what platform do you get to do that from? So I use a platform like VirusTotal. So VirusTotal gives us the opportunity to check or to scan our folders and our files. So this is VirusTotal. So VirusTotal here, I will go ahead and choose a file, then come to downloads. This is Caterio. First of all, the downloaded version of Caterio. I'll click on this and I'll tap on open. It scans this folder for virus. I'll confirm upload. So it's scanning the folder. As soon as it is done uploading, it is going to scan the folder and let me know if there is virus in the folder or not. So this is coming up. So all of the files and all of the folders within this folder will be scanned, right? To be very sure that there are no viruses on the folder or in the files, right? All right, so VirusTotal says no security vendors and no sandboxes flagged this file as malicious. Wow. Okay, so this tells us that all of the folders and files in this document are safe to use. I guess by now you must have bought your hosting and your domain name. You have your domain and your hosting already. So let's get into uploading the theme. So ensure that you are here on your dashboard, on your WordPress dashboard, right? So come here to appearance, come to themes right here. So when you come to themes, you come to add new theme, upload theme. So choose file, right? Under the downloads, you see this particular folder here. So this is Qtereo. Yeah, this was the folder we unzipped the other time. So let's double tap to open this. This is Qtereo. This is Qtereo child. Tap on the Qtereo and open this up. So now this is here as a zip folder. Then install the Qtereo. So Qtereo is going to be uploaded on our dashboard, on our WordPress dashboard, and then we can get to start using it to build our blogging content, right? So let's wait for this to load up, and then we can get to start using it for whatever purpose we want to use it for. All right, so Qtereo theme is uploaded successfully. It says theme installed successfully. Let's go ahead now and activate this theme, right? And then yeah, this is Qtereo already here staring us in the face. Let's tap on theme details. Let's come to install plugins. All of the necessary plugins that Qtereo requires to function properly needs to be installed. So tap on this particular one to check all of the boxes. Come to bulk actions, tap on install, apply this. So when you apply this, it installs all of the plugins automatically, right? And then we can go ahead and do the same thing also by activating all of the plugins, right? So right here, come to theme options. Let's come to the same options, appearance, import demo data. So let's tap on appearance and import demo data. Then right here, which of these do you like, guys? I'm getting confused, right? Which of these do I really like? I like all of them. I can't deceive you. I like all of these good looking themes. Yeah, so I'm settling for this particular one here, this demo content 6. So let's import this demo content right here. Yeah, so it's going to install all of this. So continue and import. So this is importing content. All right, it says import complete. Okay, let's visit site. Let's see what the site looks like right now. Yeah, so this is a preloader. This preloader is coming right here up. Oh wow, this is what the blog currently looks like, and this is looking nice, guys. This is looking crazy. This is looking good. All right, so this is where the menu is at the section here. This is the search. You can toggle this button on for night and day view right here. Yeah, so these all are looking good. So we can go ahead and start working on a blog, and then let's see how the blog looks like. So first of all, we can edit this blog with Elementor. So of course I would like you to start from the back end first. So let's get back to the back end. First in, let's get to the posts, all posts. So these are all the demo posts that have been inserted or uploaded on the website. So there are about 74 blog content on this website. All of these are the demo content. So you want to start removing or re-editing this blog content to your own blog content. So you can start by editing this here, edit this, so that you can replace this particular content here with your own particular content. So when this is up, you can change the content inside. So let's close this particular box, then begin to edit. Tap on this to start editing, change all of this content to yours. So follow the same pattern. This is where an image has come into. Change this particular image to yours. So all this content also begin to work on them, rework them so that they can look exactly like this particular content also when you publish yours. So you can remove all of these sections. Any section that you don't like, you can tap on it, tap on this button, and then you can delete, right, to put up your own content. So when you are done, come to post, come to categories, and select the right category for your blog. So this is sports, this is travel and technology. These are not your categories, right? You can add a new category, or better still, come to the dashboard of your WordPress website and then come to posts right here and tap on categories. So edit all of these categories to your taste, and then you see them. Let's say for instance we do a quick edit for this beauty. Let's say this is migraine. Let's change this to, let's say, migraine headaches as a category. Let's remove this demo slug and change it back to this particular slug also. Let's update this category here, right? So this is migraine. When we refresh this, you obviously will see the category already changed amongst the list of categories, right? So categories here, this is migraine headaches, as you can see. So you can go ahead and change all of your categories and put them up right here, so that when you are done editing your content, and then you can come right here to select the right category. So this exactly is how to build your blog from the beginning to the end with a demo theme and look professional, right, without having to spend a dime building this particular blog. So this menu also can be reworked. And how do you go about reworking this menu? You can simply come back to your dashboard once again, come to appearance, come to menus right here. I guess the menu at the top is here on the main menu. Select the main menu, and then you see all of the menus at the top of the screen right here, and then you can change all of them. So I guess you don't like this one, so just remove this, remove. So all of this homepage 3, all of this homepage whatever, remove everything, right? And then you can have only the home here. So remove all of this up to 15. Remove these features, it doesn't look good. Remove these features here. So you want to put up all your post categories at the top of the menu, so that it becomes easier for people to find the particular post they want to read, right? So remove all of this. So let's update. As soon as I'm done removing all of this, update this. So to add a new menu to your blog, yeah, I guess it should be the category menus that you want to put up. Come to categories, select any of the categories that you want to put up as a menu, and then add to menu right here. When you are done with that, go ahead also again and save up. So we have saved up and we have refreshed the blog. So it shows us this particular field. So all of this has been removed. So yeah, this is not looking too good. Once again, just remove all of these guys here. So remove AMP, remove this, go ahead and remove all of this right here, so that the blog can look pretty nice, right? So yeah, remove all of this here. This post layout 3, remove. Let's remove all of this. So let's stop at this, right? And let's update once again and see. So all of these things need to go for your original categories to show up. So yeah, once again, let's come down here, right? Let's refresh the home page, and this is what the blog currently looks like at the top. So yeah, look at home, this, and all on my website. So how do you edit this section of the menu? How do you get to edit this section of the website? Simply hover your mouse on edit with Elementor, tap on header 6, this particular header here that you are using, depending on what you have selected. So tap on header 6. As in my own case, I'm using header 6. So this brings us right here. So we can get to tap on this pencil icon here, right here, and then we can change the header feel of this. So this is the logo type, right? So you can change this from SVG. I guess we don't know how to work on SVG files, so let's go ahead and change this to either image, right? You can get to upload your own image right here, or use text-based logo. Yeah, so if you don't have the time to work on all of this, you can simply get to you can use text-based logo. So let's say my brand name is healthy version, right? So yeah, this is what I currently have, healthy version as a text. So I want to change the logo typography So let's say that by default this is what it is. I'll change this text to, let me use this agbalumo right here, agbalumo. Right, so this agbalumo is not looking too good. Let's change this here to this. Okay, so healthy version, okay, this is looking good. So healthy version is this. So we can highlight a portion of this text. Let's add a mark tag to this version. Let me add a mark tag. Maybe this can be marked up. All right, so healthy version, this is marked. So let's update this and maybe see what it looks like from the home page. So let's come right here once again to the home, and then let's get to see this. So healthy version of us, and the brand logo is healthy version. Okay, so this is not too bad. Right, so I've done this, so you can go ahead and check out how you can get to do yours by yourself. So that is it basically for now, guys. So you can go ahead and check out how you can get to do this by yourself.